Hello, Standard 9, English, Chapter 10, Ecology for Peace, Video 1, Ecology for Peace. Pre-task. Write your ideas in this table. You can work in pairs. Details and importance in our life. Trees. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They are the producers. They give us shelter, food, medicine, and many other things. So trees are very important in our lives. Birds. Birds are an important chain in our ecosystem. Birds are colorful, melodious, and cheerful. They transport seeds from one place to another. Butterflies. Butterflies are one of the main pollinators. They are an indicator of proper ecobalance. More butterflies is an indication of healthy ecosystem. Discuss this statement in group and present the main points to the class. Now here is a topic which says, if we save nature, she will save us. So this is a group discussion. If we save nature, she will save us. So you have to discuss on this topic, that in the present times we see that humans are just destroying nature, and we are facing the consequences of that. We have pollution of all kind: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, sound pollution, noise pollution. Why is all this happening? Is because we are destroying nature. We are destroying trees. As we have just seen that trees are the lungs of our planet. But for our greed, we are cutting down forests just to make money, not paying attention to the fact that in the long run it is going to harm our planet. So you have to discuss and present the main points in front of the class. This is a very nice discussion where you can put in many points after doing research. Sing these lines in chorus. Write its meaning in brief. ઈશનું રાજ્ય છે આખું, જે આ અવની વિશે ત્યાગીને ભોગવી જાણો, માં વાંચો ધન અન્યનું. So what does this mean? Very beautiful lines. It means the whole planet belongs to the Lord. He who renounces means gives up, ત્યાગ. He who renounces will yet be content. એ બધું છોડી દે છે તો પણ બહુ જ તૃપ્ત રહેશે. And not be envious of other people's wealth. અને એને બીજાની ધન ઉપર બિલકુલ ઈર્ષ્યા નહીં થાય. તો આ બહુ જ સરસ બે લાઈન છે. બીજી છે, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. So what does this shlok means? It means, may all sentient beings be at peace. Sentient beings means those who can experience all kind of the physical aspects of the world, like sound, vision, cold, hot. So those who are sentient beings. So may all sentient beings be at peace. May no one suffer from illness. May all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. You will see that we are not only thinking about ourselves, we are thinking about others also. That is the main philosophy of our culture. We not only think about ourselves, but we think about all others. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. So we think about others. That is the beauty of our Indian tradition. Indians are the ones who have always preached that we should be one with nature. We should not destroy any link in the eco balance. So that is the essence of our preachings.